Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, December the 7th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, two binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last one is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Six extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve this evening, not all. The other two are easy to solve, and so it's not interesting to solve easy puzzles. The first one I will do is the 4 star Sudoku. By the way, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. The additional for tomorrow on Sunday. So tomorrow only the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, only the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, this one will be number 9716. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars has 24, this one has 25. One digit more should be a 3 stars puzzle. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Need a 7 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 there. Let me see. 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this big square, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 in this row should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 1. Need a 3 here, need a 5 there. 1, 5. 1, 5, 4. In this column, we have 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 4. We have a 1, 5, and a 4 in this big square. So no 1, 5, and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 1, 5, and a 4 goes in those 3 boxes. 1, 5, and a 4. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. Okay, 3, 6, 9. That means we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left on 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this one, no 8 there. 8 should be there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, let me mark those. Okay, need an 8 here. Need a 1 there, okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. Need some. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this middle row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left with a 7. Should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 1, 5, 4, 8. 1, 5. Need a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then let me see. I need a 1 here. Yep, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row. Middle row, no 1 in these two boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 9, 6, and the 4. 4, 4. Well, in this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the must 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Excuse me. Need to sneeze. Well, waiting for the third sneeze, but it's not coming. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Okay. Well, then 6, 9, and need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. And we have 1, 5, 4. Well, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. Last row. 5 in the row above. No 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be here then. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we need a 6 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Need a 7, need a 9. And I need a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Need a 1 here. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 7 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Need a 9 here then. Need a 4 here or 4 there. Need a 2 there. Alright. 3, 6, 4. 4. Well, we have a 4 in one of those two boxes. In this column, last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be here then. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Okay. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9 then. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Okay. 5, 5. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 4 and a 5 we have here in the second row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 2. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. Then need a 7 here, okay. Come on, come on, come on. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in one of those two boxes in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 4, 7, and well, in this row, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left of the 7 in the last row should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4 and a 7. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for number 1. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. All right. Then, let me see. How about here? 2 and a 6, 3 and a 6. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. Need a 7 there. 4, need a 5 here. Yeah. 5 in this row, third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here then. Then in this column we need a 2. Well, here can be 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. Only place left for 2 in this column should be there. So 1 digit left now in this big square for number 6. 3 and 6, we have 6 now in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2 is missing. Okay, so what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, the 8, and then 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. 3, 6, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well, how about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 and a 6 in this row. So no 9 and a 6 in this box. 9 and 6 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3 then. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, surprise, surprise. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.